When you think of baking soda, you probably imagine it sitting quietly in your pantry, waiting to be called upon for its main gig, helping your baked goods rise to fluffy perfection. But this humble white powder is a multitasking marvel, ready to lend a hand in countless ways around your home. Let's dive into the amazing alternate uses of baking soda, each one tried, tested, and totally worth adding to your everyday routine. Number 1. Natural deodorizer. Fridge freshener. Keep your refrigerator smelling fresh by placing an open box of baking soda on a shelf. It absorbs odors and keeps things pleasant. Shoe deodorizer. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda inside your shoes and let it sit overnight. Take it out the next day and say goodbye to those funky smells. Carpet refresher. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpets, let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum. It helps to neutralize odors trapped in the fibers. Number 2. Effective cleaner. Kitchen scrub. Mix baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste. This paste works wonders on countertops, sinks, and stovetops, cutting through grease and grime without scratching surfaces. Bathroom cleaner. Use the same paste to tackle soap scum and mildew in your bathroom. For tougher stains, mix baking soda with vinegar. Watch it fizz away the dirt. Laundry booster. Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry to enhance detergent performance and help remove odors from clothes. Number 3. Personal care essential. Toothpaste. A dab of baking soda can help whiten teeth and freshen breath. It's slightly abrasive, so use it gently to avoid damaging enamel. Facial exfoliant. Mix a small amount with water to create a gentle exfoliating scrub for your face. It helps to remove dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling smooth. Dry shampoo. In a pinch, sprinkle some baking soda on your roots to absorb excess oil. Brush through your hair for a quick refresh. Number 4. Home and garden helper. Ant repellent. Sprinkle baking soda along windowsills and doorways to deter ants. They dislike crossing the powdery barrier. Weed killer. A concentrated sprinkle of baking soda can help to kill weeds growing in the cracks on your driveway or sidewalk. Fire extinguisher. Keep a box of baking soda near your kitchen stove. In case of a small grease fire, dump the baking soda on the flames to help extinguish it safely. Number 5. Health and wellness aid. Heartburn relief. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda and a glass of water and drink it to neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. Bug bite soother. Create a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to insect bites to reduce itching and swelling. Foot soak. Add a few teaspoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water for a relaxing and deodorizing foot soak. Number 6. Cooking and baking enhancer. Tenderize meat. Rub baking soda on meat and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Rinse off and the result will be tender, juicy meat. Homemade buttermilk. Mix a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar with a cup of milk and add a pinch of baking soda. Let it sit for a few minutes and you've got buttermilk ready for your recipes. The baking soda helps neutralize the sour taste of milk in buttermilk. Crispier veggies. Add a pinch of baking soda to the water when boiling green vegetables. It helps maintain their vibrant color and crispiness. Conclusion. From cleaning and deodorizing to personal care and beyond, baking soda is a true jack of all trades in your home. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a must-have in every household. So stock up, get creative, and let baking soda make your life a little bit easier and a lot fresher. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you reach for that little orange box, remember that it's more than just a baking ingredient. It's your go-to solution for countless everyday problems. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.